In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add a new entry to the glossary. Just scroll down up to glossary section and then click on the glossary. You can see here the prompts or the instructions to add a new entry, and then below the button to add a new entry. So just click on the button. By scrolling up and down, you see the options you have to fill in. The first one, concept, the name of the word you are going to add, you are going to introduce. Now, as example, the word is issue. It's possible you find the text editor like that, just with one row over here. The only thing you have to do is click on this button, and then suddenly you can see three different rows of buttons. Okay, what is issue? We are going to add, we are going to introduce issue as a noun. So the first thing you have to do in brackets is type noun. This word is a noun, es un nombre, es un sustantivo. And then you have to highlight this word by writing them, but by writing it in bold. Perfect. And then you have to type the definition or definitions of the word taken from the dictionary you like the most. It's a good idea to link to the dictionary you take in the word, so in this case I use Macmillan Dictionary, so the only thing you have to do is copy the URL, copy the web direction, and then paste the direction just straight on the text editor. And then if you think it's necessary, you can type the translation into Spanish. For example, something like problema, asunto, and you have to put this into brackets, and then you also have to highlight this in some particular color, for example by setting up a background color. The only thing you have to do is select the words into brackets, and then go to the bottom, click here, and choose one color, for example this one. Perfect. To finish the definition field, you only have to say the source, la fuente. The source when the entry comes from, such as the lessons of the course, further reading assignments, and so on. For example, this word issue comes from the lesson 2, so that's right, source lesson 2. Please note that this last sentence, source lesson 2, is highlighted. So to remove the highlight, the only thing you have to do is select the highlighted words, and then go to the bottom and choose white color. So that way this sentence, the highlighted color is now removed. Okay, the third field is the category. The only thing you have to do is to choose the category, and issue is a noun, so noun. And then keywords, attachment, and this finally checkboxes. You can leave these options like that you can see on the screen. So that way the only thing you have to do is press on the button Save Changes. Okay, then Save Changes, and then the new word is currently added to the glossary.